This is the right side, that is the left side. Now I had this off. It will be going on by the finger power. The last spring or autumn or winter or summer, here it goes. Rusty little piece of, well, unnameable metal. Let's leave it here, and now we can have the bumper off. Right, we got a rusty bumper like here. It's a little bit twist as well. You can see it's not in its shape like it has sometimes been when it leaves the factory. Now it's rusty and twist. Right and left. This is okay. Not okay, but it's off. Then I have to think about it, what will be taken off the next. Yeah, short break. Okay, cut.